Friends, problems and challenges are part of life. One has to learn how to manage those things in life. I am Divakaran Pillai, motivational speaker from C to B, caterpillar to butterfly. I was visiting a friend of mine in a little far off place and I was seeing him after a very long time. I had only his office address. And somehow I reached that place in his factory where he is working and I could locate him. And he was very happy. We both were really happy to meet after a very long time. But he was very busy on that day. As usual, he was telling, very busy, but still he managed. He said, I will take leave in the afternoon and then we shall go home. He somehow managed and we started from there in the afternoon. Once we reached the home, this guy was carrying a shoulder bag. Before we entered the house, he hung that shoulder bag on a peg outside on the wall. And we went inside and he was very happy there. And his family, his wife and children, they were there. They were all very happy to have a guest. I had come as a guest and we spent a lot of time talking about our good old days. And next day, I was about to leave. Then I told him, do one thing, anyway you have to leave, you have to catch the bus. I shall drop you at a place, the bus stand is very close to my factory. From there you can go, let us go together. I agreed, it was a good suggestion. And when we started from home, what he did, he picked up that bag from that peg and put it on his shoulder. I couldn't control, I was curious enough to ask him, what is special about it? Yesterday when we came, you were hanging that bag on that peg. Today, you are picking it up and going, where do you carry then? He said, this is a long story. He said, what is it? He said, this is the thing, I called it the problem bag. When we go out, we come across a lot of challenges, a lot of problems which are beyond our control. And they can disturb your balance. So what I do, all these problems I put inside this bag. And once I come home, I just hang it there on that peg outside. I don't take it inside. Once I reach home, that is my sweet home. I don't want to have those problems in the house. There I am a husband and I am the father to my kids. And that is the place where we all find the greatest happiness in life. I don't want that to get disturbed. Friends, it's something very serious to think about. Have you ever come across, can you correlate when I tell something? Some people, they come to from the office, home, and he had a very rough time. Had a lot of firing from the boss or maybe from the colleagues or subordinates, whatever it is. He might have had a lot of problems. That guy who is disturbed when he comes and presses the call bell, as usual, his wife comes out and opens the door and he shouts, how long have I to wait here to open the door? The wife knows. It was the same time she has taken. But she immediately, out of her experience, she understands that this man had a very tough day. And what she does, gradually she will try to talk to him. And this man will be shouting at the children everywhere. This is what is called displacement. That means whatever problem you had outside, where you could not react, you could not give a reply, you have to submit yourself at that place, you are bringing it home and showering it on the people who are not in a position to respond. They are not in a position to give you a react and give you a reply. You are using it and spoiling the peace in the house. Once people realize that problems are part of life, it is not end of life. You are working for a better living. And if you are bringing problems home and they are disturbing your life, what is the purpose of that? So we have to learn, this is the way how we manage. Problems are there, we leave it outside. Once we are at home, our sweet home. Once you can do that, you will be happy. And members of your, that is the place. They are the people who are caring for you, loving you, waiting forward, looking forward to meet you in the evening. Give them a good time when you come back. You will also enjoy, they will also enjoy. Let us learn to balance the life with all the problems we face in the outside world that will make our life and the life of our dear ones more comfortable and happy. Thank you very much.